how to search for Instagram post by keyword. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, the method number one is to use Instagram search feature. For that, open Instagram, and once you open the Instagram, you want to go ahead and simply log in to your Instagram account. Just like so, once you're inside your Instagram page, you want to go ahead and tap on the search icon, and just like so, you want to go ahead and simply type in your keyword. Instagram now allows limited keyword search beyond just hashtag and username by mostly scanning captions of public posts. So go ahead and type in your keyword and simply tap on search. And just like so, you want to go ahead and scroll through the results. Note that this only works for keyword found in the post, captions or alternate text and not comments or image contents. Just like that, the next option is to use the hashtag search. Simply insert the hashtag before your keyword and search for it. You'll then be able to find tons of variation and also explore related tags for border sweeps. And just like that, you will then be able to search for Instagram post by keyword. That ends the video guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.